Hello everyone. Today we're gonna draw Cinnamoroll. We're gonna start with the top of the head. Then we draw the cheek. Then draw the other side. Then we draw the right ear. Draw the other side. This time we're gonna draw the hands. Right hand, the left hand. Finish the bottom of the face. Draw the body. Then we're gonna draw the other side. Let's draw the foot. And continue the bottom to the other foot. Draw a circle for the tail. Draw a semicircle inside to do the detail. Draw the mouth in the center. Draw the right eye. And then draw the left eye. And we're done. I really hope you like how it turned out, and I made sure it's easy and fun. And if you do, please like and subscribe. Till next time, guys.